Good morning. I am Sagar Dalvi, batch July 2021, and today's date is 27 August 2021. And today I am going to explain, sorry, very important topic in Java, that is super and this keyword. We know that Java is object-oriented programming language where everything we must return with respect to object, means whatever the problems we can't solve with the help of C language, we can solve these problems very easily with object oriented paradigm concepts in C++ or Java. Means C++ and Java both are the object oriented languages, and in object oriented language we have very useful concepts of inheritance which provide reusability of the existing code. Means deriving the new prototype from the existing prototype is called inheritance, and the new or derived class we can call as a subclass or child class, and the existing or old one we can refer this class as a super class or a parent class. And these two keywords, that is this keyword and a super keyword, are used in inheritance with respect to two different classes. This keyword is always pointing to the current object, and super is a reference variable which is always pointing to the parent class. Let's see at programmatic level the use of the this and super keyword. Suppose we have the class calc, and in that we have the two instance variable, that is num1 and num2, and again we have one method in class calc, that is public void add, and in that we have the two parameter, that is int num1 and int num2. Here is a conflict in method. We have the num1 and num2 as a local variable, and in a class calc we have the two variable, that is which is instance variable int num1 and int num2. And let's see another, let's take another constructor whose name is same as the class, which is a public type, public calc int num1 int num2. And in constructor, we know that constructor are used to initialize the instance variable, and here the conflict is that we have the same name in constructor as a local variable which is similar to the instance variable in class. So how to distinguish which one is the instance variable and which one is a local variable? So this keyword play very important role in this nomenclature conflict. So we can assign num1 which is local variable to the num1 which is instance variable by using this keyword. So we can write down this dot num1 is equal to num1. Here num1 which is right hand side of the equal to, which is the local variable, and this dot num1 which is the instance variable of the class. Means by using the this keyword we can avoid the naming conflict between the instance variable and local variable. Similar to the num2, we can assign this dot num2 is equal to num2. Here num2 which is right hand side of the equal to operator, which is local variable, which we can pass through the constructor, and this dot num2 is an instance variable of a class calc. So in this way we can solve the naming conflict by using the this keyword. Sorry. Again, another uses of this, we can pass this as a parameter to the any method. Whenever we pass this as a parameter, then we need to accept this parameter by using the object class reference variable which is equivalent to the this. So we can say that this is referring to the a current object only. And similar to the this, whenever we use this, On the similar line, we can use a super keyword which is always pointing to the parent. So thank you. This is for today. We will meet in soon.